In this video, I'm talking about new 401k rules and benefits for 2023. Today's vlog is brought to you by 401k Maneuver. 401k Maneuver provides online professional account management with the goal of supercharging your 401k performance. So stop leaving money on the table each and every year in the form of lost returns. Let us help you. If you're new here, be sure to hit the subscribe button, and the links to everything that we mentioned in this video you can find in the description box below. So let's jump right in. Big changes are coming to 401k benefits this year and the next few years. And if you want to maximize your retirement savings and your retirement lifestyle, it's critical you're aware of these changes. The new 401k rules and benefits are a result of the Secure Act 2.0, which was passed into law December 29th of 2022. So keep watching to find out which changes may affect you in your retirement planning. Let's talk about the Roth Match. Effective this year, employers can now match the Roth option in 401ks. And prior to this law, employer matches had to be made with pre-tax dollars, go into your traditional 401k, and then you'd have to pay taxes on the money when you withdraw it later on, and not anymore. This is optional for employers, and employers may elect to make pre-tax matches or not provide a company match at all. Check out the description box below for a complimentary read titled 4 Ways to Potentially Maximize Your 401k Company's Match. Let's talk about increased catch-up contributions next. For employees ages 60 to 63 who want to contribute more, they are now able to contribute $10,000 or 150% of the standard catch-up amount for 2024. And these amounts will be adjusted annually based on the cost of living starting in 2026. Also under the new law, catch-up contributions to 401k plans must be designated Roth contributions if the employee's compensation from that employer was more than $145,000 that year. This provision takes effect in 2024. What about 401k withdrawals without penalty? Another positive change this bill brings is that participants can access 401k funds for emergencies without penalty. Starting in 2024, employers may offer participants an emergency savings withdrawal of up to $1,000 per year. And this withdrawal is not subject to an early withdrawal penalty and may be repaid over 3 years. Now, not every employer will offer this, as it's at the discretion of the employer to offer this option or not. Check out the description box below for another complimentary read, 401k hardship withdrawals and what you need to know. Got questions about after-tax emergency savings accounts? Well, let's talk about it. In addition to or instead of the emergency savings 401k withdrawal option, employers can now offer non-highly compensated participants an emergency savings account as part of their retirement plan. And employees may voluntarily contribute or may be automatically enrolled at up to 3% of their annual pay, capped at $2,500. And contributions to the savings account will be made after tax, and participants may take a distribution from their emergency savings account at any time. And this goes into effect in 2024. Again, offering this to employees is at the discretion of the employer. Let's switch gears and talk about matching student loan payment. Starting in 2024, employers can match their employees' student loan payments to their 401k plan, 403b plan, or simple IRA. And this is a huge benefit for those who can't afford to save for retirement because they're trying to make their monthly student loan payments. Here's a note. An amendment to the Secure Act 2.0 allows employer matching contributions to be made to qualified student loan repayments rather than or in addition to employee-elected deferrals. Got questions about RMD changes? Required minimum distribution changes will be phased in over the next 10 years. Phase 1, RMDs will now start at age 73, starting in 2023. If you've already started RMDs, this will not change for you. If you turn 72 in 2023, you can take your first RMD by December 31st of 2024, Or you could delay it until April 1st of 2025. And if you delay until April, you will need to take 2 RMDs in 2025, one for 2024 and one for 2025. Phase 2, starting in 2033, the RMDs move up to age 75, and also included in the bill are massive changes to the original 50% penalty for not taking required minimum distributions on time. The hefty 50% penalty for not taking RMDs will drop to 25% in 2023, and the penalty drops to 10% if you take the required amount by the end of the second year that it was due. And the penalty could be waived completely if you didn't take the RMD due to unforeseen events like illness, but then withdrew it as soon as you could. You would have to ask the IRS for a penalty waiver. Another big change is that Roth accounts and workplace plans will be exempt from RMDs starting in 2024. Let's talk about easily finding lost 401k accounts. Thanks to the Secure Act 2.0, it will be easier to locate old 401k plans left behind when you move jobs. The Department of Labor is creating a lost and found database to help people find forgotten retirement benefits. And this should be up in the next 2 years. I'd be doing you a massive disservice if I didn't talk about why now is the time to get engaged with your 401k. If you really want to increase 401k savings, one of the best things that you can do is to be engaged with your investments. For many, a 401k is the largest asset come retirement. So why leave your financial future to chance? When you gain the necessary knowledge, you may go from being a disconnected investor to one who's engaged with your 401k savings and the overall health and well-being of your financial future. And that means you're in control. There are numerous free online resources available to 401k investors, and all you need to do is dedicate a bit of time and energy to your education. 401k Maneuver is committed to providing you information that will help you become a better investor. That's it for today, everybody. If you found this content valuable, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and get notified every time we post a new video with tips on how to maximize your retirement savings or important changes that may impact your 401k. Subscribe to our blog and get weekly email roundups on the latest 401k news and tips on how you can become a better investor. Prepare yourself for a life of abundance in retirement. We'll see you next time.